let's make the section where we can switch the slides. So that's going to be, so remember these were all of our items, our slider here. Nice, right? These are all of our items in our slider here. I want what do I want? What I want is, so okay, let's check it out. We have our slider, we have our list. I want the thumbnail to still be in our list. So under item 4, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 closing tags. So we close our list here. Close for our sliders here. Now I want thumbnail. Thumbnail. Yeah, that's spelled right. All right, just need to make sure. Thumbnail. Inside of thumbnail, I want, again, item. And in each item, I want an IMG. Boom. So now, we can go ahead and just put image. Copy, paste, paste, paste. And so it's image 2, image 3, image 4. Save that, and we're closing our thumbnail. Thumbnail open, thumbnail closed. All of our items are right there. And then last, we're going to create the arrows, like the next arrow. So let's do next. Prev arrows. Button. What we want though is to make a class, and let's do previous, and we can do this sign. Boom. Copy that same one, and this one will be next. No capitals. And this could be here. Save. Okay. Boom, boom. I think this is red because it's thinking that I want to create another one of them. But I just want that symbol. If it doesn't work, I'll do something to change it. Okay, and now we have, this is our closing slider tag. Okay? All right, so now let's style those. We can copy this right here. And under our slider styles, we can do thumbnail styles. All right, so let's start with thumbnail. Position, absolute. Let's put it at the bottom of the page. 50 px, perfect. And then left, we want it to be 50%. Width, max content. Z index, this is gonna help us get it so that it comes on up top. Let's look, see where it's at right here. Nice. That's the absolute. Absolute made it go here. Z index 100, so that this will make sure it's on top. And then let's display flex. Good. And then let's give it a gap of 20 px. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Copy, thumbnail, now we're targeting the item inside. So we got width, 150 px, height, 220 px, flex. We're gonna now shrink it. 0, position, relative. Skills, boom, 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 boom. It's looking better. All right, now let's target the actual image there. So width, 100%. Height, 100%. Object fit. Cover. Let's round out the edges a bit. I think that makes it look nice. And then let's give some shadow for it to pop. Nice. And then look at that. That looks great. Boom, boom, boom. You got the little pop, you got the rounded corners. Good. Now we need to style our arrows. Our arrows. So we can do here. All right, sometimes to help you not make spelling errors is just copy the class and bring it here, put the dot and paste. So then you know you're definitely targeting that section. So let's go position, absolute. Okay. Top. 80%, right, 52%, again Z index, as you can see here, just to make sure that it's on the top. 100, same level as the pictures. Width 300 px. Max width 30%. Skills. Let's display this. Flex. Gap 10px. And then align items. Center. Very nice, very nice. All right. So now inside of it, let's clean up the buttons a little bit. Oh. Width 40px. Height 40px. Whoops. Slow down. Okay, making them a little bigger. Width and height 40-40. Nice square. And then let's round it out. Border radius. Let's go 50%. Skills. Background color. Let's put it that color I did earlier. Let's make border 0, like, or none, not 0. None. Color. There you go. So it pops. Nice. And then this, because we want it to move as well. Transition 0.5 seconds. Cursor pointer. Save. Good. Now let's get it to do something while we hover over it. Copy that. Let's change the background color to white. So then that would mean we need to change the color. Because look. Boom. Oh, we need to put a hover. So that only happens when we hover. There we go. It's green, hover over it, white. But we need to be able to see that forward and back symbol. So we will make it black. So when I'm hovering, it'll switch. Perfect. Looks good. All right. So now we have styled our thumbnail pictures and our button. Great job.